Today is Tuesday, December 7th, and today we're going to work on cardinality in our math class. So what are we doing today? Today we're working on cardinality, and our Common Core state standard is that students will understand that the last number name said tells the number of objects counted. The number of objects is the same regardless of their arrangement or the order in which they were counted. So what is cardinality? Cardinality is the actual amount of objects in a group. So for example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 hamsters in this group. Now let's say that we started over here instead of with this hamster, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. No matter what way that we count the hamsters, there's still going to be 4 hamsters in this group. Let's go ahead and practice. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and practice together. So I'm going to go ahead and place bears onto the screen, and then we're going to count and see how many bears there are in each group. All right, let's start with this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and count how many bears there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's go ahead and see what happens when I place the bears in a different formation. So let's go ahead and pause the video. Let's think to ourselves and wonder, do we think that the number of bears on the screen has changed? Alright, so the answer is no, the number has not changed, and here's why. I just took them out of their line and placed them in different places. Let's go ahead and check it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pink bears. Okay, so I placed a certain number of bears on the screen. Go ahead and count how many blue bears you see in our grid right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and check and see if you got the right amount. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 blue bears. Alright, let's go ahead and try one that's a little bit harder. Alright, so go ahead and pause the video and count how many bears you see in this picture. Alright, so let's go ahead and check your answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 orange bears. Alright, so this is the last problem that we're going to do today. Go ahead and pause this video and count how many bears you see. This might be a tricky one, so you might have to go back and check again. Alright, let's go ahead and check your answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 purple bears. Alright, so since we've finished this video, you can go ahead over to your weekly checklist and check off the video counting with cardinality. Make sure that you go to the Google Classroom and complete the Google Form quiz for cardinality today. So that's all I have for today. Great job! See you tomorrow!